Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, how are you? How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Fine. Nah. How was... Yes, okay. How was your exam? It was easy?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, good. Yes, yes, yes. Wait there. Please wait. Your friends are coming now. Please, please mute your mic. Please mute your audio. Yes. Hello. Rukma Robin, please mute your audio. Rukma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Today onwards, we are going to study क्या है? Swarakshar finish. Finish. Next.
Venjanaksharam.
Next, not व्यंजनाक्षरम. व्यंजनाक्षर क्या है? व्यंजनाक्षर. सब बताओ.
Ma'am, you are
You are
Venjanakshar.
yes, व्यंजनाक्षर. Yes, व्यंजनाक्षर. व्यंजनाक्षर. Swarakshar finish. Yes. Ma'am. Nayomiga, what happened?
Nice. Venjanakshar. With the class.
What?
You are nice. You are nice with the glass.
Who is asking that? Nayomiga?
Yes.
Yes or no? Nayomiga, are you asking? Yes, I am in the school itself. I am staying in the hostel. Clear? Nayomiga? Now I am staying in the hostel. Clear? Okay. Yes. She's asking that. Yes. Okay. So, yes, listen here. Today we are going to study Vyanjanakshar. Pehla Vyanjanakshar. Already Malayalam you learned ka, cha, ta, ta. Same in Hindi also. Ka. First पहला व्यंजनाक्षर का से कमल. क्या है? का से कमल. कमल. इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस. क्या है? लोटस. का से कमल. इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस. Page number 15. 15. Take. Are you seeing one red Kamal picture? Okay. Don't write now. Just look at the picture. See? Ka se Kamal. Sab batao, please say. Ka se Kamal. Ka se Kamal. Ka se
Ka says Kamal.
Kamal. Already we studied. Is Swarakshar in between. When you are free, getting free time, please write and study Swarakshar. So when we are studying, after finishing Vyanjanakshar, if I am asking a say kya hai, you didn't get answer. So in between, when you are getting free time, please write and study Swarakshar, Akshar and the words also. Clear? So Vyanjanakshar, पहला से कमल. का से क्या है? का से कमल.
Kamal.
कमल. इसका अर्थ क्या है? कमल. इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस. इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस. यस, वेरी गुड. Yes. Are you seeing this picture? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Ka.
Yes.
Yes, see this picture? Are you seeing this picture?
Yes.
Kamal.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, कमल. इसका अर्थ क्या है?
Kamal.
इसका
Lotus.
लोटस.
Lotus.
का से कमल. का से क्या है? का से कमल. का से कमल.
Kamal.
इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस.
Lotus.
यस, इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस. 1 minute. One second. Yes. Are you seeing this picture, Lotus?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Next one. Are you seeing steps to write the letter Ka? Are you seeing? Yes. See how to write? I will try to write letter here. I don't know. Yes. First one, straight line. Are you seeing red line?
Yes.
First straight line. Second step क्या है? Straight line. Yes. Then is क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? Aman Babu, are you seeing?
Yes.
First straight line. Straight line इसके नीचे से straight go up in the middle, left side one curve. Once more I will write. One minute. One straight line. This is small line. That's why I can't write. I will show another. Just you write this PPT now. One straight line. Clear? Then down. Down again. You start. Go up. In the middle, left side one curve. Touch here. Then at curve come right side. Clear? No? Once more I will show. See, first one straight line here. Then go up, left side one curve, right side one. Right side curve, don't touch, down. Okay, once more. One straight line, go up, left side small curve, touch here, right side curve, don't touch there. Clear? Once more, one straight line, go up, touch here, right side one. Next one. Yes, don't write now. Don't write now. Some students not clear this one. Don't write. Look here. Once more I will show. Yes. See, one straight line. Yes. Don't take hand from here. Go up. Correct middle. Left side one curve. Touch here and right side. But don't touch there. Clear. Once more. Don't write. One straight line. Go up. Correct middle. Correct middle. Left side curve. Touch here. Right side. Okay. Once more. One straight line, go up, correct middle. Where is correct middle? There, left side curve. And come to right. Ka. Clear. Some students will write the one right. They will write here. Where is this curve? Down. That is wrong. Correct middle. You start. Once more. I will rub. Don't write now. One straight line. Yes. Go up. Correct middle. This is the middle. Left side. Touch here. Yes. Ka. Clear? See this different? Where is this one curve start? Middle. Ka. Ka se Kamal. Once more. One straight line. Got it? Once more. One straight line. Go up. Correct middle. This side curve. Touch here. Right side. Here. Don't touch down. Okay. If you are writing, that is wrong. Here. Don't touch there. Clear now? Okay. Once more. Ka se Kamal. Yes. Ka. Okay. One straight line. Go up. Here. Yes. Ka. Ka se Kamal. Ka se kya hai? Ka se Kamal. One straight line. Then go straight up. Middle. Correct middle. Take left side curve. Then come to right side curve. Right side curve. Don't touch down. Clear? Yes. Take your notebook. Please take your notebook. In the textbook, they gave one small circle like that. But don't write that. So that no need write in your textbook today. No need write. Direct you take in your notebook. Direct. Have you any doubt? Take your notebook. Take your notebook. I will share screen. Yes, write today's date. 20. Write today's date now. 28/7. After that, today I saw some notebook. They didn't make column. So first, please make column. Beginning onwards, I am saying first draw column with scale. With scale. With scale, please make column, please. Then write yes, write ka. How to write? First, straight line, go up in the middle, left side curve, Go to right side. Ka. Again, first straight line, go up, middle, curve, right
से
side.
कमल
Please mute your audio and say ka se kamal. Ka se
का से कमल
yes, very good.
का से कमल
कमल. कमल इसका अर्थ क्या है? इसका अर्थ लोटस.
लोटस
यस. का से कमल इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस.
कमल
हाँ, इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस.
लोटस
का से
का से कमल
कमल. का से कमल इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस. यस.
का
का
से कमल
कमल. का से
का से कमल
कमल इसका अर्थ
लोटस
अगेन से का से कमल.
का से कमल
इसका अर्थ क्या है? इसका अर्थ
लोटस
लोटस. यस. का से कमल.
का से कमल का से कमल का से
Please
कमल
mute your mic and say. Please mute your mic.
का से कमल
का से
कमल
का से कमल इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस.
लोटस
इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस. का से कमल. का से कमल इसका ईशान कृष्णा, have you any doubt? ईशान कृष्णा, have you any doubt? No. Ishan? No. Yes. Ka se kamal. How to write ka? One straight line. Go straight. In the middle, left side one curve. After that, right side curve. Right side curve. Don't touch down. Yes. Ka se कमल. का से कमल इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस. यस.
का से कमल
कमल. यस. का से कमल इसका अर्थ क्या है? लोटस.
लोटस
लोटस. का
से कमल
Some are joined now. I will write one more.
का से कमल
One straight
का
line.
से कमल
Yes. का से
कमल
का से कमल.
का से कमल का से कमल
का से कमल.
का से कमल कमल का से कमल का से कमल
Yes.
का से कमल,
का से कमल.
का से कमल,
Hmm.
का से कमल,
का
का
से
से कमल,
कमल. का से कमल.
का से कमल, का से कमल,
Shankar Krishna.
कमल,
Please mute your mic. Shankar Krishna.
का से
Ka.
कमल,
Hey, other students, please mute your audio. Shankar Krishna. का से क्या है शंकर? का से
कमल,
का come. I am asking you, Shankar Krishna, not Abhinav
का
TS.
से कमल,
I am asking Shankar
का से
Krishna.
कमल.
Abhinav TS. Please mute your audio.
Yes,
Ah.
yes.
Abhinav TS, please mute your audio. Please, Abhinav, please do fast.
Yes.
Mute your mic. Abhinav TS. Abhinav.
Yes.
Yes, please mute your audio.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
No. Abhinav, do fast. Mute. One mute icon is there. Please click there. Abhinav. Abhinav TS, please.
Yes.
Why you?
Yes.
Please mute Abhinav. Yes. Shankar Krishna, please unmute. Shankar Krishna, please say. का से क्या है शंकर? कमल. इसका अर्थ क्या है? शंकर कृष्णा, इसका अर्थ क्या है?
Lotus.
Very good. Lotus. Yes. Nilha Naurin, please unmute. Nilha. का से क्या है?
Camel.
का से कमल. Say in sentence. का से कमल.
का से कमल.
नीलखा.
कमल.
नीलखा.
का से कमल.
से का से कमल.
का से कमल.
कमल. इसका अर्थ क्या है? कमल. इसका अर्थ क्या है?
Lotus.
Lotus. Very good. Alna Arun, please wait there. I am asking question. Alna Arun, wait there. Next one. Sai Krishna, please unmute. Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Sai Krishna, का से क्या है? का
से कमल.
का से कमल. इसका अर्थ क्या है?
Lotus.
Very good, Sai. Very good. Yes, continue.
Thank you.
Yes, good. Lemis, please unmute Lemis. Lemis, please unmute. Lemis.
Ma'am, finish.
Shankar Krishna, wait there. Lemis where? Lemis, yes. Lemis. का से क्या है Lemis? Say louder, Lemis. Say louder. का से क्या है? Lemis. का से क्या है Lemis? Lemis. का से. Say in sentence. का से कमल. का से कमल. Yes. इसका अर्थ क्या है? इसका अर्थ क्या है? Lotus. Yes, very good. Sankalp. Yes. Sankalp. Yes, very good. Sankalp. Please unmute Sankalp. संकल्प का से क्या है?
का से कमल.
यस, इसका अर्थ क्या है संकल्प?
Lotus.
लोटस. वेरी गुड. यस, गुड. Ananya. Ananya, sit properly there, Ananya.
Ma'am, finished.
Hadia Fatima, where is your notebook? Huh? Are you keeping in your lap? Where is your table, Hadia? Where is your table? Keep there. Okay. Yes, yes.
Ma'am.
Ritik, what happened? Elroy.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Elroy का से क्या है?
का से कमल.
का से कमल. इसका अर्थ क्या है?
कमल. Lotus.
लोटस. वेरी गुड.
Ma'am, finished.
Yes, yes. Sai Krishna, yes. Sai Krishna, good. Yes.
Ma'am.
Shankar Krishna.
Stupid. Ma'am, finished.
3:15:15. Shankar Krishna, very good. Yes. Rukma Robin, very good. Abel Anthony, yes, good. Ivania Rose, good. Esther Biju. Elroy Jobin, very good.
Finished.
Sarah Selfin, very good. Ridik, good.
Finished.
Wait. Elvin Mario, yes, very good. Devarsh, good.
I'm finished.
Yes, good.
I'm finished.
Lekshana, yes, very good.
I'm finished.
Yes, I saw. Abhinav, yes, okay. Olivia Siju, yes, very good. Olivia Siju, Ridik, yes.
I'm finished.
Yes, very good, Ridik. Yes.
Are you
Before next class, please write one more page. Clear? Okay. Before next class, please write one more page.
Okay, ma'am.
Write and study. Swarakshar also. Please write and study. Swarakshar also. When you are writing, say the letter, say the word, say the meaning also. Clear? So please listen. Say the word. Say the letter. क्या हुआ? Say the letter. Say the word. Say the meaning. Yes. Okay. Juana Rose. Very good. Juana Rose, very good.
Kase Kamal.
Kase Kamal. Kase Kamal.
Daughter.
1 minute. Yes. Okay. Our time finished. Say bye. Write and study. Say bye. Bye bye.
Bye.